Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some old school Warhammer 40K Cadian Stormtroopers. So let's get started. These models were gifted to me by a good friend of mine named Tobin several years ago. I wish that I still had all the models from the army he gave me. But over time I've lost some were broken. My son wanted some. One of them I sold because I was made a tank I sold because I was made an offer I just couldn't refuse. Because he does such excellent work. Look at this sniper. Look at the camo netting on that. A simulated ghillie suit. These are all metal models. Here's the officer. Professionally painted. Tobin does a great job in everything he does. One of those exceptional people. These models occupy a special place in my collection. They have their own little special gun pistol carrying case that I keep them in. Comment down below and tell me what you think of them. Do you still have some old school 40K models in your army? Particularly Stormtroopers and of your Imperial Guard force? Even his basing techniques are subtle yet effective. They don't take away from the miniature. Yet they still look good. I love this guy's gear. So comment down below, tell me what you think. I read each and every comment. Tell me if you still play with an old school 40K army. I have some more old school 40K things to show you. I have an Eldar army and a Valhalla Imperial Guard army to show you. Those will be in future videos. I'm going to show you soon my first Chaos forces. In fact, we'll go ahead and preview one right now. This is a figure I mixed up in Mesh Mixer. I call him a Putrid Pumpkin Chaos Marine. Kind of a play on Nurgle and a Halloween theme. You can find this on Thingiverse and Cults. If you want to download it, I'll put a link down below. It's free. I'm going to paint that up for Halloween. I don't know if you saw my Nurgle dice. I made a short video on a Nurgle dice on my little soldier shorts. 3D printed on my Anycubic Photon Zero. These dice have been probably blessed by Grandfather Nurgle. Remember, your grandfather loves you. Here are two upcoming miniatures I'm going to show you in a video. These are New Dominion Peacekeepers, designed by Arian Croft of Ill-Gotten Games, Dutch mogul. You can find these on his Patreon. These were FDM printed on an Ender 3. No supports needed. Both of these models. I'll have some more to show you. Now, some of them that I'll show you will be resin printed, laser printed, because they require supports. But these did not. Standalone, support free. Alright, well, thank you for watching. If you can, please just drop me a simple like down below. It really helps me out, helps morale, and gives a good boost to the channel. Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a great day. Thank you.